Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to redeem and use Tango Gift Card. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. To redeem and use Tango Gift Card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.tangocard.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to Tango's website. Now here you can see sign up option at top right section of the website. Click on sign up. Then on the first you can see the option of receive a reward. Click on help me redeem on the side of receive a reward. With that, you'll be taken to redeeming gift card option in the website. Now here you can see various of options to redeem. Scroll down and click on redeem a Tango card. Then click on redeem here with the arrow icon. Then here you can see redeeming option at the right side of the website. First enter your gift card number on the given box. Make sure you check your Tango gift card and enter the correct gift card number. With that, enter the PIN of your gift card. After entering gift card number and PIN, click on I am not a robot. With that, click on activate at the downside. With that, you'll be able to redeem your Tango gift card and you can make purchase using that gift card. This is how we can redeem Tango gift card. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.